Revelation 17. Who is the woman? Come hither, I will show unto thee the judgment of the great whore that sitteth upon many waters. Revelation 17:1, KJV. This woman rides the beast with 7 heads and 10 horns, V3, is clothed in purple and scarlet, adorned with gold and jewels, V4, has in her hand a golden cup full of abominations, V.4, is drunk with the blood of the saints, V.6, is called Mystery, Babylon the Great, the mother of harlots, V.5, is burned by the 10 kings aligned with the beast, V.16. Now let's examine the evidence against the idea that this woman is Jerusalem. 1. Jerusalem is the woman in Revelation 12, not Revelation 17. A woman clothed with the sun and the moon under her feet, and upon her head a crown of 12 stars. Revelation 12:1. This woman brings forth the Messiah, V5. She is persecuted by the dragon, Satan, V13. She is protected by God in the wilderness for 260 days, V6. This woman represents faithful Israel, not apostate Israel. She suffers persecution rather than inflicting it. That is the complete opposite of Revelation 17's woman who rides the beast and persecutes the saints. 2. Revelation 17's woman is a global system, not a local city. The waters are peoples and multitudes and nations and tongues. Revelation 17:15, the harlot sits on many waters, global influence. She fornicates with the kings of the earth, V2. She rules over nations, V18. Jerusalem in the 1st century, or today, does not rule over multitudes, nations, and kings. Rome, or a future Babylon-like system, does. Jerusalem is not a global city of influence. It is constantly described in Revelation as a victim city, not a ruling one. 3. The beast destroys the harlot. Jerusalem is attacked by the nations but delivered by Christ. These shall hate the whore, and shall make her desolate and naked, and burn her with fire. Revelation 17:16. The beast and his kings destroy the harlot. Yet in Zechariah 14 the nations surround Jerusalem, but the Lord returns to defend her. V3:4. Then shall the Lord go forth, and his feet shall stand in that day upon the Mount of Olives. Zechariah 14:3-4. Jerusalem is attacked, yes, but she is redeemed and rescued, not judged and burned like the harlot. 4. The harlot is called Mystery, Babylon, never Jerusalem. And upon her forehead was a name written, Mystery, Babylon the Great. Revelation 17:5. The woman is called Babylon, not Jerusalem. Scripture never calls Jerusalem Babylon. It may call her Sodom and Egypt, figuratively, Revelation 11:8. But Babylon is always associated with idolatry, world empires, and opposition to God from Nimrod onward, Genesis 10:11. Babylon is the symbolic name for false religion, counterfeit worship, and rebellion, not the covenant city of David. 5. The harlot is drunk with the blood of saints. But Jerusalem is spiritually blinded, not globally responsible. And I saw the woman drunken with the blood of the saints, and with the blood of the martyrs of Jesus. Revelation 17:6. While Jerusalem did reject Christ and had a role in early Christian persecution, this passage describes a global religious political empire responsible for mass martyrdom worldwide. This fits Rome, Vatican-led apostate Christianity, or a future world religious system, not Jerusalem, who mourns when Christ returns, Zechariah 12:10. Jerusalem's future in Scripture? Jerusalem is beloved by God, Psalm 132:13. The place God will reign from, Isaiah 2:2-4. Where Christ returns to, Zechariah 14:4. Home to the 144,000 remnant sealed by God, Revelation 7 and 14. The name of the final redeemed city is New Jerusalem, Revelation 21. Who is the woman in Revelation 17? The woman in Revelation 17 is not Jerusalem. She is Mystery Babylon, a counterfeit spiritual system, a global religious political entity, possibly a future version of Rome, a revived Vatican-like system, or a unified false church. She persecutes true believers, seduces kings, and promotes idolatry and compromise. She is judged violently by the beast system she helped empower. Conclusion: Scripture rejects Jerusalem as the harlot. Evidence, result, Revelation 12. Woman Daser Israel, protected and persecuted, not judged. Revelation 17. Woman Hasers Babylon. Opposes saints, rides the beast, and global power. Jerusalem in prophecy, restored, delivered. Christ defends her. Zechariah 14. Harlot in prophecy, burned by kings and destroyed by the Antichrist's system. Therefore, Scripture makes it clear: Jerusalem is not the woman riding the beast. She is the woman pursued by the dragon, but protected by God. The harlot is Babylon, a counterfeit religious political power opposed to both God and Israel.